Today we have got garden building toys. It's a Montessori activity toys. So let's see. It has 224 pieces. Look at this, and we can connect. It's easy to connect. She started already. So we have all the fittings here, flowers and stuff. Since it's a garden, it has the butterfly, and I like this color. And it has flower and some of the this yellow flower. It's just easy to connect, and it has the top. So just connect here. We can connect here. Put it in this hole. The butterfly, and she's going to connect the stand inside the butterfly. Now the butterfly is ready for the garden. She's going to put it here. This is how it will stay on top of the flower, and it will look like exactly this one. That's our connector for the flower, and this flower is ready. Look, we are building our garden. We have two butterflies. One is blue and another is multicolor. This is red and sitting on the pink flower. This is our blue one with the blue butterfly. Let's see how it's going. Look how beautiful it turned out. So you can make tall flowers, small flowers, or you can winding the whole garden path, make your own design. So the best part of this toy is like you can build your own design each and every time you play with this one. I have used almost all of the 224 pieces connectors to build this awesome garden. It looks amazing after building because you can customize each and every flower. Even you can customize all the design patterns. So really enjoyed this one, and a vibrant color with the flower. It looks amazing here. Apart from flower and butterfly, it came with some cactus and small plants. So you have already connected with our garden bed. So it's customizable, so you can put it anywhere. If you enjoyed our garden toy unboxing video, don't forget to like this video. And if you're new to our channel, do subscribe to get more cool videos. Hit the bell icon so that every time you get notification once we upload new videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.